So here you go. So Kapitel 9, first official notes for chapter 9. So we are going to be talking about adjectives, on the words und and aber, and then gern, lieber, and nicht gern today. So here we go. We're going to start with the adjectives. So Adjektive. Try the first one. Traurig. Oh, come on. Traurig. Okay. It does mean sad. How'd you know that one?
My sister says that a lot.
Try the next one. Verliebt. Oh, come on. Verliebt.
Verliebt.
Anybody know this one? In love. How do you say the next one?
Doom.
Doom. What's that mean? Dumb. Yeah. They are spelled differently. Try the next one. Langsam. Oh, come on. Langsam. Anybody know that one? Seen it before. No? Cool. That's langweilig, so they're related. Langsam means slow. Next one pretty obvious in meaning, but try it. Romantisch.
Romantisch.
What's that?
Romantic.
Romantic. Yes. Next one. Try that one. Genial.
Genial.
Huh? Has anybody seen that one before? Huh? Good guess. Genial means like awesome or great. You guys these days would say lit. Okay? Or some people these days rather would say lit. Okay. There's a spelling error in the next one. Should not be a T there. Try that one. Sympathisch. Looks like it would mean sympathetic, but it doesn't. It means that you are likable, or someone is likable. It's like along the same lines as charismatic. Okay. The next couple are not adjectives, but things that you could use with them. Okay? So try the next one. So. So, yeah, it's not any different. It's just pronounced like a Z instead of an S. Okay, so then you could say so sympathisch. So likable. Okay? So verliebt. So in love. Whatever. Okay. The next one is an adjective. Take that one back. Try that one. Zeus. Like the god. Okay, so it's pronounced like the god. Anybody know what it means? What did you say? No, it has nothing to do with Zeus. It's just a pronunciation help. Okay. It means sweet, cute. So probably the opposite of what you picture Zeus as. Okay. So many times you'll hear people just running, oh, so Zeus, oh, so sweet, so cute. In the area where we do the exchange, they would say voll Zeus. Like full of sweetness, like that kind of thing. Right. Try the next one. Einfach. It means simple or easy. Okay. In this case, they'd be using it as simply. Okay. So you could say einfach süß. Ah, that's simply sweet. Okay. And the next one, try glücklich. Try that one again. Glücklich. This is one of the words for happy. This one's not in your book, but you could also say froh. Moving on. Next one. You already know what und means. What is und? And. Okay. What about aber? But. Good. So now they're going to start talking about how to use them in sentences, okay, to use it as a conjunction, to bring some things together, bring some sentences together. Okay? So when you're using it in the word order, you can ignore the und or the aber in your sentence. Pretend it's not there at all. Okay? So usually it's going to be, well, it will be at the beginning of a sentence or at the beginning of a clause, either way. Okay? So you could have a sentence that says, Das Buch ist alt. What does that mean?
The book is old.
The book is old. And then, aber es ist schön.
But
It is nice, it's pretty, it's beautiful, yep. Okay. So you've got your aber. Excellent. But you have your main subject first, then you have your verb second, and then you have anything else. So if you got rid of that aber, the word order would not have changed at all. Does that make sense? Okay. So you could have inserted the word und there as well. It wouldn't have made as much sense, but the same concept would apply. So, das Buch ist alt und es ist schön. So the book is old and it is nice. And that works too. Alright. Last slide. So gern, nicht gern, and lieber. You've seen gern before. Do you remember what it is? That you like something. Yep. Okay. But it is not a verb. That is the biggest issue with this. Okay, it's an adverb. So you have to use it with another verb. Can't think of a single verb that you could not use it with. But you have to have a verb with it. Okay. What does nicht gern mean then? Mm-hmm. Okay, so you've had those two before. Okay. Try the next one. Lieber. Oh, come on. Lieber. If I'm louder than 17 of you. Let's try that again. Lieber. Still kind of, okay. What do you mean you prefer something? Sam was just double checking my counting. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 5 is 17. Plus I know the number in the roster. Mm-hmm. And you're all here today. Okay, so for example, ich lerne gern Französisch. What does that mean?
I like learning French.
Mm-hmm. Aber, what is aber? But? I prefer learning German. Did you say Dutch a couple times? No. But I prefer learning German. Okay. So usually those gern, nicht gern, and lieber will go right after your verb. There are times that you will see it, at the end of the sentence, for example. So sometimes you'll hear, ich lerne Deutsch lieber. Okay. But for right now, just practice putting it after the verb. It'll make things a little bit simpler for you. Okay? Fragen? Any questions?